All right, so we made it to Vegas. Walking inside the hotel now. About to go to the conference. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hey, how are you? How are you?
Until we found oxygen power, we were running out to Home Depot, we were running out to Lowe's, and we were buying these white coat fresheners. Now they don't last as long. They say up to, right? Up to.
And I went to YouTube. And you were the first person that showed up.
Me.
You were the first person. And I've been, let's not watch our series. I think they are so funny. Oh my God, listen. But I've learned
it's real life.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you what you said.
What?
You said, listen, honey, I tried out of school. I got 5 kids. I was like, and I'm sitting up there, I'm like, Lord, I'm in the pick. I don't know what to do. And it just...
And you started your business?
Yes, a year and a half ago.
Get out of here. What's the name of your
Buckets and Bubbles Cleaning. We're out of Tampa, Florida. Yes, and I mean, like, anything I need to know.
Right.
You guys, like, you spilled the tea. Y'all spilled the tea. You hear me?
We had to, girl, because
listen.
everybody wasn't spilling
Yes.
Yes. Sugar coat. And when we figured it out, we said,
And listen, I'm telling you, like, I don't even know how to say thank you enough. Like, seriously, like, I don't know where I would have been if I'd been buying you guys. It then kind of like led to AJ and, you know, Carolyn and the one from Detroit.
Mila?
No, not Mila. She didn't come. She was supposed to be
She's
here. Not
here today.
Yeah.
Raylan.
Yeah. And I mean, like, between y'all 4 and my notes, I got it
you
done.
Can get it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
I just want to say thank you, ladies. I really appreciate y'all.
We appreciate you.
Yes.
And what's your name again?
Kiwa. Yes.
Kiwa. All right. All the way from Tampa, Florida.
Yes, ma'am.
How many planes you had to catch to come?
Oh, Lord. I'm thinking about getting on the train to go back. 4.
Yeah. 4?
Yeah, we had to fly in, get off in Denver, catch another one here. Yeah, it's too much. And I went for Denver. It was very bumpy.
Four flights.
It was very bumpy. It was very.
You gotta give back. Let's see. We got this thing where, you know, when people travel far, we like to give them a little gift.
Well, thank you guys. Yes.
A little gift. Let's see what we got. In the gift bag.
Y'all got a bag full of goodies.
Girl, you gotta keep digging, girl. Dinner on us.
Thank you. Listen, I just want to feel like I wish it was something I could give you guys back.
No, it's fine. You know what? We appreciate you.
Yes.
We appreciate you.
And I actually share it with everybody.
And share it. Yeah. Okay.
Like I actually haven't had a couple of my friends started. I'm like, listen, this is where you start at. Go on there, watch the videos, take notes.
And listen, I'm gonna give you a second gift. Boom. Got 70% off our coaching program.
I'm thinking about it.
All right?
Yeah,
check it out.
Think about it. Thank you.
All right.
Trainer, I got you. Pleasure to meet you guys both.
Thank you.
I'm following. You guys see me on your YouTube channel as Tranquility Hub or Big Ron.
Sounds familiar.
When I read those comments, that's me. From LA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you specialize commercial?
I'm just starting my company. I'm just starting.
Oh, you just fresh out, just starting. Is your partner?
This is my cousin.
He told me to come. I had to come.
You got to. You got to get in the building. You got to get the inspiration. You got to get out here, man.
Sure. Yeah, I'm definitely a subscriber to your channel. I'm following you guys every day. Every time you guys post a video, I'm on it. I'm on it.
Thank you. How far you guys came?
I drove from LA.
Ooh, you drove from LA.
Yeah.
Okay.
How was your flight? Because I know you was talking about, man, I'm scared to fly.
Yeah,
AJ's
man. Everybody.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know about this flight thing, but
that's all good.
Yeah, she had to get on 4 flights.
Yeah, we
4.
Oh, wow.
4. Like, want to get back home.
You gotta put it in your hands and you
He has also launched a successful consultation company helping small business owners earn millions in revenue. And if you want to know about more government contracts, this is your guy. Y'all give it up for Mr. Eric Kofi.
Basically, everybody know that. Don't even know. Nope, it's not. You make the millions off your dog. Y'all follow me? Alright. So we got 3 ways. I would recommend, write this down.
So instead, let's see if you want to wipe this off for I'm going to put an email up here. If you email me at support@oneband.com, what's going to happen is I'm going to go back next week.
It was from Mario Kelly, reasoning. You got to think with reason. You know what I'm saying? You can't. There's no blueprint to becoming an entrepreneur, to being a cleaning business owner. You know, you just gotta think with reason, and also you gotta do the simple math, the effective communication. I took that away from my cousin AJ and Gina with their relationship outside of the entrepreneurship. Just use effective communication and reason. Be open. Also invest in yourself. Like, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people made a lot of last minute decisions on coming to this conference. Right. Me being one of them, I wasn't gonna come because I had to work. But guess what I did? I quit my job so I didn't have to request off to get these weekdays off, and I'm here. I'm happy. And you know, just surround yourself with a positive circle. I came here with no circle. I recently cut my circle off. I came in with no circle, now I got a big circle, including y'all. Like, it's a pleasure to meet y'all. I seen y'all on YouTube. I seen everybody that had a speech on YouTube. I never met them in person, but the vibe was just, it was caught. They ain't asked no questions. They started talking to me like they know me. They was like, oh, I know you from such and such and such. Only because it's a community. Like, it's a black-owned community. I mean, there's other people involved too, but the cleaning business is for real. It's, you know, it's all about, you know, just getting straight to it, no beating around the bush. You know, all that talk, you know, you just gotta talk numbers, you gotta have effective communication and collaboration. There's no competition in this business. You gotta collab.